Hello everyone. In this video, I'm excited to introduce you to a product I'm working on called DataCreator AI. I'm Priyanka, an AI engineer specializing in NLP and synthetic data generation. I started DataCreator AI because I personally struggled with data limitations while working on AI projects. Of course, there were datasets available on public repositories, but they were never in the exact format I needed. I spent hours cleaning, restructuring, and augmenting them, yet they still lack the diversity required for robust AI models. This led to suboptimal results, especially when dealing with underrepresented scenarios and multilingual applications. After speaking with some of my colleagues, I realized I'm not the only one facing this challenge. There are many other developers and researchers who face the same issue. And that's why I built Data Creator AI to help people generate high quality, diverse, and customizable data sets effortlessly. Today, I'll walk you through how our platform works and why synthetic data is transforming the future of training. Synthetic data refers to information that's artificially generated rather than obtained from direct real world events. It's particularly valuable in scenarios where real data is scarce, sensitive, or costly to obtain. We are in the age of AI revolution, and data is what made this happen. Industry leaders have emphasized the importance of data in AI development. For instance, Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, has highlighted the critical role of data in training AI models, noting that the quality and quantity of data directly influence AI performance. By combining synthetic data with human expertise, we can create high quality data sets that not only fill data gaps but also incorporate domain specific knowledge, leading to more robust and accurate AI models. So let's go into the short demo of how the platform works. You have a very easy sign in with Google. Just accept the terms and conditions and sign in with Google. Once you sign in with Google, you see our homepage, which has a short form where you can specify your requirements on how the data should look like. In the prompt field, you can describe the data you want in detail to get the most relevant data set. It is just as simple as giving a prompt to ChatGPT. You can also pick the language you want the data to be in. Currently, you can select from English, Hindi, and Telugu. If you need a specific language that is not yet available, you can write to us at team@datacreatorai.com and we will make sure to add it to the platform. Next, we ask you to select the purpose of your data generation, which will help us better customize our features. Here you can specify the number of results. By default, it is set to 100. If you just want to preview the data, 100 data points should be sufficient. However, you can increase the count up to 500 per generation. Currently, we are providing structured data sets with 5 columns in CSV format. Here you can specify your custom column name separated by commas. Additionally, along with these features, if you have a real data set and want to generate more data points in a similar fashion to augment your training data, this feature will be very helpful. You can upload your data set in CSV format and our system will generate similar data points. If you have any specific requirements that are not covered by the starter plan, you can click on the custom order button. These requests will be processed manually and we will get back to you with further steps. Now let's take a slightly complex example and generate a dataset. Suppose you need a dataset for financial fraud detection where transactions need to be labeled as legitimate or fraudulent based on multiple attributes such as transaction amount, merchant category, location, and time of the day. I will enter a sample prompt, specify relevant columns, and generate the dataset. Your requirements, just click on Go Now. Initially, it may take some time to fetch the first results, but gradually your dataset will be fully generated. First, you will see a preview with around 10 points. While the dataset is being generated, you can navigate through it page by page. on the grid. Once the dataset is loaded, a feedback form appears where you can provide input on data quality. This step is optional. After that, you can click on Pay and Download. You will receive a payment link to your registered email, and once your payment is processed, you will receive the file in the CSV format. We are working to make it automatic, and this will be available very soon. So once you click on Proceed, you will receive a payment link. This is a basic overview of how the platform works. For the starter plan, this is the basic setup we are providing as of now. One more important feature I would like to highlight here is you can request review. If you need some changes to be done to the dataset, or if you want an expert or a professional who is well versed with the field of data you are trying to generate, you can click on request review and mention the changes or review that you need in detail, and we will get back to you with the pricing. While synthetic data offers numerous advantages, the integration of human expertise is crucial to ensure its quality and applicability. Human oversight is essential for interpreting data, asking the right questions, and ensuring that AI models are appropriately guided. Without human input to steer AI, the technology may provide accurate data but miss the nuanced understanding necessary for real world applications. Ultimately, we are making products for people, so it only makes sense that AI should be trained with data that reflects actual human experience. To facilitate this human touch, we have introduced the Community Datasets feature. These datasets are generated by users like you and uploaded to our platform. If you generate a dataset, you can submit it under this section by clicking on Submit Dataset. The leaderboard tracks on how many data points you've generated on our platform. Once you reach a certain threshold, you will be invited to a paid reviewer system where you can get compensated for reviewing datasets. So this has been a high-level demo of how DataCreator AI works. I will be uploading more videos covering details like pricing, specific use cases and features, and also explaining in detail why synthetic data is essential and how it differs from real data, and how you can use it in your applications effectively. We are also launching a pro version that comes with exciting upgrades, including the ability to generate up to 1,000 data points per generation and also up to 100K data points. Subscribe to this channel for more updates. You can also follow me on LinkedIn for the latest developments. Thank you.